Imagine recording exactly what you see and what you hear all hands-free. That's the idea behind MusicCam, the world's first headset that records synchronized video and audio. Oh, and it even works underwater. Perfect for recording while you're underwater, walking around in nature without losing touch of your surroundings. Today, we're unboxing it in the studio and taking it out for a quick test run, hiking, climbing, maybe a little swimming, and I'll share my thoughts on what I love and what I think could be improved. Okay, let's get the box open. So, inside the box, we've got the headset itself, made from durable plastic and fiberglass. It's light at only 50 grams. What else do we have? We've got the magnetic charging cable. So they've got a custom magnetic charging port here on the side. This just clips into place. We'll talk about that a bit later. USB port, a couple of guides with the QR to download the app. There we go. Let's see how it works. Okay, so I can hear the music while I'm recording. This is me walking through the forest. Okay, so putting it on, just goes around your ears like that. Feels light, feels comfortable. Always get fatigued with the in-ear noise-canceling headphones, that pressure build up. I always have to take one out or the other one out, keep track of my surroundings. But with these, what it's doing is pressed up against your temple essentially, and it's just vibrating the sound into your ear canal. So my ear is still open, I can hear my surroundings, I can hear the nature while also enjoying my music. So you might be wondering, where's the camera? Where's the camera? I don't have a camera. No, well, it's right here. You activate it by flipping this around horizontally. And we've got a 32 megapixel Sony sensor with a 180-degree wide field of view, which actually translates into a more natural 73-degree field of view. It feels like you're actually looking through it. You can also adjust it vertically by 30 degrees up and down. So if you want to look at what you're looking at with your hands, or you want to grab the scenery behind you, you can always adjust this on the go. And it's got a 6-axis gyro stabilization. It's a little jittery to begin with, but apply some stabilization in software and you can't tell the difference. Finally, it records in 1080p and 2K at 30 frames per second for 2.6 hours. Now, compared to what we're used to now in the action cam scene, that might seem a little bit low, but it's definitely higher than my regular dumb headphones. But specs are one thing. What I really wanted to see is how it performs outdoors. So I took MusicCam with me for a little weekend adventure, a little climbing, a little hiking, to see how well it holds up. Okay, so we're trying out the recording now. And I mean, it's great. You can listen to the music as you're going while it's recording as well. And you can still hear everything that's going on around you. So you're still out in nature. My ears are wide open. I'm hearing everything that's going on. I'm also recording, and I'm also listening to music, all from one device. The stabilization really helps keep the footage smooth, and the wide field of view really made sure that I could capture the whole climb. And let's talk about music, because after all, this isn't just an action cam, it's also a regular headset. It connects easily to your phone via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and with 15 hours of music playback, it really won't die on one of your longer adventures. And I also really like the perspective when I'm swimming, because usually with action cams, it's either on your head or on your chest, which is kind of like an unnatural perspective. But here, it's seeing exactly what I'm seeing through my eyes all the time. And with its IP68 water and dust-proof rating, it means it can actually handle submersion. So it's not just splash-proof, it can actually join you underwater up to 20 meters and capture everything you see down there. So after a weekend of testing, here's my final verdict. It's lightweight, it's hands-free, and it captures your perspective in a unique way that most action cameras won't. It feels like it's actually recording what you see as you see it, rather than this artificial top-down or chest perspective. I mean, sure, it even captures like some of your face in the shot, so this is like exactly what I was seeing. It's very interesting. But even more than the action cam, what I really enjoyed experiencing was the bone conductiveness, the open ear headset. I'd never experienced that before, and I always thought like you wouldn't really be able to capture the detail in music. And sure, the music sounds a little bit different. It sounds a little bit darker, but you still have the wide range of what you're hearing. It's easy and comfortable to listen to podcasts, people talking, music, try different kinds of music. It all sounds great. And your ears open the whole time, so you can hear what your climbing partners are saying, your hiking partners, you can hear the nature around you, you can hear the city. If you're walking in the city, you want to be able to hear the traffic as people call you, things like that. You can hear everything and your music. In terms of music playback, the Bluetooth connectivity is more than enough. It'd be nice to have like onboard storage so you could dive underwater and still listen to music, which doesn't work via Bluetooth. But on your hikes, in the city, for everyday use, the Bluetooth never seemed to be an issue. Clean playback. I did find that it did drop the connection from time to time if the Bluetooth headset was too far away from the phone, but this is something I've experienced with the prototypes of products like these before, and they're always fix it before they launch. It's 2 hours of recording time and that fast transfer of files to the phone. That's on par with GoPro, and with the small power bank, it has very fast charging. You can take a small power bank with you, charge as you go. But again, 2 hours of recording time. I don't usually record more than 2 hours when I'm out in nature, so I never really hit that upper limit. Between listening to music and the recording, I felt like it lasted me a full day of hiking. So if you're into cycling, climbing, hiking, or just want to vlog your urban adventures, or maybe you just want to listen to music while not losing track of your surroundings, this is a fun and practical little piece of gear, especially at the affordable launch price of $189. MusicCam is live now on Kickstarter. The link is below in the description, and be sure to check it out fast, as those super early bird deals don't usually last.